My name is Dr. Wendolyn Davis. The Assembly is a complete reimagining of how we engage and have conversations as it relates to learning mobility. It's a way to interact with professionals as well as our exhibitors, our vendors who have a technological hand in the work that we do. We're going to work together. We're going to partner in different ways to work together in cohorts or groups to walk away with hopefully a work product, something of value that can be immediately implemented in an institution. Not just implemented, but then being able to work through it over the year and then coming back to the next assembly to build upon the work that has happened. These project-based learning groups are exactly that. Each group will have an area that they will work on, and you'll be able to work on this throughout the time at the assemblies. There's collaboration in these groups. There's going to be deep, intentional conversation about the impact and how we can have an impact in higher education at our institutions that is tangible, that can be brought back from the assembly. Come to the assembly. Not only do we want you to come to the first assembly ever in Virginia, we want you to come with working in mind, building in mind, and having something that you can work on and bring back to the assembly in 2027 and 2028 and going beyond.